Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to help you here with number 8 on the homework. If you already watched the other video, I'm going to say the same thing that I said before. When you go to graph anything in this homework assignment, you need to ask yourself the question, are x and y on the same side or the opposite side? Obviously, they're on the same side here. If they are on the same side, I do not recommend using slope-intercept form. That's going to be a lot of work to isolate y. If you want to, you're more than welcome to. However, I personally feel that it is easier to use standard form. This is in standard form. If you rewrite this by putting the 6 on the other side, which I hope you understand that that is the exact same thing as what is here, we can go ahead and graph this by plugging in 0. To remind you how to do that, I would like to walk you through this one. If I plug in 0 for one variable at a time, I'm going to start with x. Order doesn't really matter. I now need to solve this equation. I hope you understand that 0 plus 2y is the same thing as 2y. And now I just need to solve the equation for y. Y would be equal to 3. So what this means is that when x is 0, y is 3. The point 0, 3 is the y-intercept. In other words, when x is 0, when we fix it, assign it to 0, that is going to tell us the y-intercept. The opposite is also true. If I repeat this process for y, I will figure out what x is. And this is even easier because x doesn't have a coefficient. And so when I multiply 0 by 2, I will get 0. 0 plus x, well, that's just x. So I'm just left with x is equal to 6, which again, where's y 0? That's on the x-axis. And now that I have that, I can draw myself a line, hopefully a little straighter than that. Make sure you include your arrows. And there you go. If you did happen to solve this and put it in slope-intercept form, I can check your work really quick by just putting this in slope-intercept form now. I can tell that the y-intercept is obviously 3, as we already found out. And now, by finding the slope, it's down 3, right 6. That would be the slope negative 1/2 x plus 3. Hopefully you guys were able to figure that out. If not, please, please, please plug in 0, use standard form rather than slope-intercept form. This is an awfully difficult equation to solve for y, especially if solving equations is not your strength. If you have any more questions on any other problems, please let me know. Best of luck. Thanks, guys.